Want a reliable SUV without breaking the bank? Tired of endless scrolling through overpriced listings? Well, stop scrolling because we have already done the research for you. We are counting down the 10 most reliable used SUVs you can get for under $25,000. And trust me, number 1 might just be the best deal in used SUVs right now. 10. 2020 Honda Passport, starting around $23,000. Let's kick things off with something special. The Honda Passport. This isn't just another crossover. This is Honda's answer to comfort and capability. Inside, you're getting a seriously roomy cabin that'll make your living room jealous. And here's what makes it even better. You're getting a punchy V6 engine with 280 horsepower. That's enough grunt to tow up to 5,000 pounds. Plus, with available all-wheel drive and 8.1 inches of ground clearance, you can tackle those weekend adventures without breaking a sweat. The best part? You're getting Honda's legendary reliability and a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission that just works. And the crazy part? While these originally sold for up to $43,780, you can snag one now for around $23,000. That's nearly half off for a practically new SUV. 9. 2020 Mazda CX-9, starting around $22,200. Now, if you're thinking the CX-9 is just another family hauler, think again, because this might be the most fun-to-drive 7-seater you can buy for under $25,000. These were selling for over $46,000 when new, but today you can drive one home for just $22,200. Let's talk about what makes this SUV special. First up, that gorgeous interior. It comes with premium materials that'll make some luxury brands blush, and a cabin so quiet, you'll think you're in a high-end submarine. Under the hood, a turbocharged engine that's both powerful and efficient. You're getting up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway, and check this out, available all-wheel drive for those slippery situations, and 3 rows of seating when you need them. Plus, with Mazda's attention to detail, every drive feels like a premium experience. 8. 2018 Toyota Highlander, starting around $20,000. Looking for something that'll just keep going and going and going? Well, the Highlander might be your perfect match. This is what happens when Toyota's legendary reliability meets family-friendly practicality. These were going for nearly $47,000 new, but now you can find some in great condition for $20,000. Now let's be upfront about something. There were 3 recalls on the 2018 model, one for potential water entry through the windshield, another for the brake assist vacuum pump, and one for incorrect load information labels. Toyota fixes these for free, so just make sure any recalls have been taken care of, and you're getting an amazing deal. So what actually makes this SUV so special? You're getting seating for up to 8 people, a powerful V6 engine that's proven its reliability, and a ride so comfortable, your passengers might just fall asleep. But here's where it gets really good. Above average predicted reliability rating, and that famous Toyota Build Quality Plus with multiple USB ports throughout the cabin, everyone's devices stay charged on those long road trips. And with available all-wheel drive, you're ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at you. 7. 2020 Honda Pilot, starting around $23,300. If the Passport is Honda's adventure machine, then the Pilot is their comfort king. And trust me, this thing is packed with features, starting with that spacious interior. Room for up to 8 people, 3 rows of actual usable seats, and cargo space for days. Under the hood, you're getting that trusted 3.5-liter V6 with 280 horsepower, smooth shifting from either the 6 or 9-speed automatic, and surprisingly good fuel economy of around 19 to 27 miles per gallon. But here's what really sets it apart. A ride so smooth, speed bumps disappear, available all-wheel drive for confidence in any weather, and Honda's reputation for reliability. Plus, with features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available, long trips become a breeze. While they originally sold for up to $50,000, you can find these amazing family haulers for just $23,000 today. That's a crazy good deal if you ask me. 6. 2017 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, starting around $20,200. Want amazing fuel economy and a family-sized package? The Highlander Hybrid is your answer. And this isn't just any hybrid SUV. This is Toyota's proven hybrid technology at its best. Want to hear something incredible? These were selling for almost $48,000 new, but now you can get all this hybrid technology for just $20,200. But before you rush out to buy one, let's talk about something important. There were 2 recalls on these models, one for roof rails that might need tightening and another for the spare tire air pressure. But don't worry, Toyota dealers fix these for free. Just make sure any recalls have been taken care of, and you're good to go. Now back to the good stuff. Let me show you why this one's special. First up, those impressive numbers: 29 miles per gallon in the city, 27 on the highway, and a combined 306 horsepower. That's incredible for a vehicle this size. But wait until you hear about the tech. Toyota's Safety Sense comes standard. That means you're getting pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and that's just the beginning. Inside, it's like a tech wonderland. Tri-zone automatic climate control, push-button start 5 USB ports, 6.1-inch touchscreen that's super easy to use. And check this out. There's even a feature called Driver Easy Speak. It lets you talk to those kids in the back without shouting. Plus, you're getting standard all-wheel drive for all-weather confidence. Need to haul stuff? No problem. It can tow up to 3,500 pounds. The best part? Those hybrid components are built to last. The estimated 5-year ownership costs are just $24,000. That's lower than most non-hybrid SUVs. Combine all of that, and this might be the smartest family hauler you can buy. 5. 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser, starting around $22,000. Now this one's special because sometimes you want an SUV that can actually go off-road, and I mean really off-road. The FJ Cruiser is Toyota's ultimate adventure machine. These started at around $33,500 for the manual and $34,500 for the automatic, and they've actually held their value incredibly well. That's because they just don't make them like this anymore. But you can still find one easily for under $25,000. Let's talk about what makes it unique. That retro styling isn't just for show. It's packed with purpose-built features like waterproof fabric seats, rubber floor mats for easy cleanup, and those iconic suicide doors that make loading gear easier under the hood. A bulletproof 4.0-liter V6 making 260 horsepower, 271 pound-feet of torque for climbing mountains, and your choice of rear-wheel drive if you're feeling brave, part-time 4-wheel drive, or full-time 4-wheel drive for the serious off-roaders. But it gets better. You can get it with a 6-speed manual transmission. Try finding that in a modern SUV. And check out these off-road specs. Strong brakes that can handle the tough stuff, and tight turning radius for those tricky trails. Now let's be honest, the rear visibility isn't great, and it's not the most practical daily driver, but that's not why people love it. This is for the weekend warriors, the adventure seekers, and anyone who wants something truly different. Plus, these things hold their value like crazy. Why? Because Toyota stopped making them in 2014, and they built them to last. So while it might be a little more expensive than the rest, you can easily find a good deal under $25,000, and it might just be the best investment on this list. A quick break. We're working hard to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button. Now on to number 4. The 2020 Kia Telluride, starting around $23,500. The Telluride shocked the world when it came out, and it's still impressive today. Let's see what you're getting. An upscale cabin that puts some luxury brands to shame, seating for up to 8 people, and one of the smoothest rides in the business. Power comes from a strong V6 engine with 291 horsepower, enough grunt to tow up to 5,000 pounds, and surprisingly good fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. Plus, check out these features. User-friendly infotainment system, tons of standard safety tech, And that amazing Kia warranty, a no-brainer for many SUV enthusiasts. And here's the deal of the century. These were sold for $32,000 new, but now you can get one for just $23,500. That's a great deal for one of the best SUVs ever made. 3. Ford Puma, starting around $19,000. Now, if you're looking for something smaller but still want that SUV capability, the Ford Puma might be perfect. These sold for $41,274 new, but you can find great used ones here for just $19,000. And this little crossover packs some big surprises, like a boot that can swallow 6 carry-on suitcases, sharp, fun handling that'll make you smile, and clever storage solutions everywhere. Plus, you're getting excellent fuel economy, easy parking in tight spaces, and Ford's proven reliability. The best part? It's actually really fun to drive. This isn't just another small SUV. This is a proper driver's car with extra practicality. 2. Kia Sportage, starting around $23,500. Want something that does everything well? The Sportage might be your perfect match. This isn't just another crossover. This is Kia showing what they do best: value, practicality, and style. Plus, you're getting available hybrid powertrains for better efficiency, comfortable seating for 5 adults, and Kia's fantastic build quality. The best part? Everything just works. No drama, no fuss. Just practical, reliable transportation. And while the new ones start at $27,500 and go up to $38,500, you can get a recent used model for just $23,500. All that Kia quality for thousands less. 1. Volvo XC40, starting around $21,000. And now for our #1 spot, the Volvo XC40. And trust me, this one's worth getting excited about, because this isn't just another luxury crossover. This is Swedish engineering at its finest. Let's see what makes it special. Stylish interior that feels properly premium, comprehensive safety features, and a supple ride that soaks up bumps. Plus, you're getting multiple engine options to choose from, available all-wheel drive, and Volvo's legendary safety tech. The best part? These luxury SUVs start at $42,000 new and can reach over $50,000, but you can find excellent used ones for just $21,000. That's incredible value for a premium SUV. So there you have it, the 10 most reliable used SUVs under $25,000. From hybrid efficiency to off-road capability, there's something here for everyone. Which one would you buy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.